Hey there, bigger tourists, thank you very much for coming back to my channel. So earlier I showed to you that there is a package sent to me or delivered to me, which happened to be this, and I paid a hefty price for the contents of this box. So if you'd like to know more what's inside this box, please do stay tuned. So I got this from Lazada during a sale, and always make sure, guys, to take note of the barcodes and other packaging details like this, so that if in case you happen to have any claims of your package, you were able to document it. Aside from taking a video, also take a photo of the package itself. So without further ado, let me get my scissors, my cutter, enable for us to unbox what's inside this package. So there you go, guys, you already know what's inside the box and why I paid a not so normal price than the usual things I buy online. So I bought a new action camera because I have a very old one. So I'll have the unboxing for my new toy, and I know that there will be a new one or latest model that will be coming out of the market, but I think I could no longer afford that, because compared to the deal that I bought, they happen to have these 3-way monopod plus the color of the silicone sleeve that I requested, and the extra battery and the battery charger. So please do stay tuned for me to show you my unboxing of GoPro Hero 8 Black, and that will be here in Bigger Tours. So if you're new to this channel and if you really like to see more of my adventures when it comes to food trips and of course travel, please do subscribe and click on that notification button, and I'll see you next time with me, JC, here in Bigger Tours.